This next topic I want to walk through, this is close to me. I've been doing a lot of work in the MES space. I do come from a process background, but as I've kind of gotten further and further into my career, I've gotten more into workflow, business processes, how digital technologies connect equipment up to operations. So what is both exciting and frightening to me at the same time are some of these new platforms that are coming out when it comes to workflow around low-no code. It's super exciting to me, but challenging, as well as this concept of open platforms. Again, I want everybody here to be looking at this with full open eyes about what you're getting into. I like this screenshot or this artifact. This is from McKinsey, going through just sort of this concept of sort of self-built little applications in life sciences. Like I have an Excel sheet that does this calculation, and I just run this, and then I populate it somewhere else. These are things that are outside of control of IT, outside of control of your OT systems and your digital systems. And then there's formal IT, and I truly believe that there's a place for low code into this. Why do we love low code? I put the power into the users. Like that's how I'm making that connection. I'm making the connection between the user and the machine. I'm breaking down any barrier between needing to have a programmer there. It inspires creativity. It makes new ways of thinking. What's the challenge? Once I've gotten through experimentation, once I've found some value, some feature or some app, I need to figure out how to standardize that so that I can scale it. If I'm not going to get the value out of my technology unless I scale that solution. There's a reason why those of us who particularly work in systems that need to be, say, Parliament compliant or deal with data, deal with GMP data, you're constantly thinking about what your strategy is around that, around how you're maintaining, how you're controlling, how you're proving that the decisions that your systems are making are matching your quality requirements. So what's important to recognize here is not that there isn't a place for this software, but it's, again, what's the team that I'm building. So here they talk about business analysts. So this is any type of analyst. It could be a business analyst. It could be a manufacturing analyst. It could be a QC lab analyst, somebody who understands the operations of each of these places. But it's paired with architects, data architects, software engineers, your QA team, so that you can have a hybrid blend of these different solutions so that you're getting the standardization, which leads to the scalability you need to really make an impact with the systems that you're choosing. How you build this and how you deploy this and how you go, like you need to empower the people that are going to be working in low-no code environments, but also have it fit into the broader digital program and data program that your formal IT and OT organizations are putting together to create these bigger experiences for you.